Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. This is a short video. We're going to go over some inevitable targets on the Novavax stock as it appears to be under pressure. If you did not take a moment to watch our previous video, we actually found a gigantic pattern in this market on the 6-month candles, and we're going to briefly go over that. But I'll leave a link if you would like to explore that at your own leisure there. So in this video, again, we're going to go over the inevitable targets. So let's make it short and sweet. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Welcome in all of our new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's January the 18th, 2022, and the previous close of Novavax is going to be $98.44, slightly negative 11.1% for the day. Okay. Nvax is the instrument. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys are doing well. Here's everything I have. Yep, same lines, guys. All right, so basically, I think the pattern is continuing. I know a lot of you wanted an update on this pattern, but it looks pretty clear. Well, I mean, it looks pretty intense to me that every single time we get a close back below. Well, basically, I guess if you didn't watch the last video and you're new, I'll just kind of give you a quick rundown. These three little circles is basically what happens every single time Novavax closes a 6-month candle. Again, guys, if someone shows you a 6-month pattern, yeah, you definitely would should take it into consideration. So we get a green close. Let me just point it out here. The first circle, green close. We get a green candle to close above the resistance level. Okay. And after you get a green candle to close above the resistance level, the very next candle, like seriously, it gets really nasty. Well, at least the first time, right? But the only thing we're focusing on is the close. Where did the following red, or a 6-month candle rather, close? Did it close below the resistance line? If you got a check mark and you're saying yes, then naturally what happens next, at least from the first two examples, is it gravitates towards the support level. That blue line down there, the descending line, acts as support. Okay, second example here, close a green candle above it, red candle closed below the red line, resistance line. Once again, it gravitated close to that blue line. The only, I guess, unfortunately thing, if you're bullish on this stock, is the blue line right now is, let me just put a horizontal line at 0. Okay, so that's zeros right about here. And please understand, I'm not saying this stock is going to 0, but according to history, every single time there's a 6-month candle to close above the resistance line, and then you close a red, first you close a green candle above the resistance line, and then a red candle closes below the resistance line, it gravitates to that descending line of support, which is below 0. All right. This is not a scare tactic. This is a very beautiful story behind the price action that I was able to discover and no one else in the world was able to discover, at least according to my knowledge. Let me know down in the comment section if someone else seen this. But to be more practical, and not saying the stock is going to go to 0, but because I'm not sure, guys. I think some are waiting on a vaccine, saying the stock can go to like $500. Maybe you're right, but let me just give you the two alternative levels. I guess for starters, remember, I'm not saying that this stock is going to go straight to this inevitable target. Okay, it's going to be at let's start with $75. It's a $5 range, okay, if it continues to go down. So 75 up to $80. That's kind of, I don't want to say launch pad, because the way that the gestures, I don't like this setup, guys. It's just not a setup that I was able to ever see in a chart that looks like something that will eventually be something worth pushing back to the upside eventually. I'll just say that, okay? Inevitable target. 75 up to 85 incoming. If the market moves up tomorrow, really nice bounce, just kind of, because the markets have been under a lot of pressure, and it's up 10%, $108. Napoleon, what do you think now, man? Are we going to the moon? No, guys, I think the inevitable target is incoming. 75 up to $80. It may not happen tomorrow. It may not happen next week. Maybe it won't happen this month. Let's give this a time frame of up to 60 days. Assume that if Novavax is not above this previous resistance level, this is a 6-month resistance level, guys. This is not like a, that 1 hour daily stuff. If it's Novavax is not above $155 and continuing to tear to the upside, assume that this market is under pressure and it is gravitating towards the inevitable target, $75, $80. That's all I have for you, wonderful folks. Hopefully you guys can appreciate remember, you're listening to someone. I have never read a single article. I don't know how the logo looks on this company. So please understand that I'm not a professional. I could be 110% inaccurate about everything that I'm saying. But I gave it my best shot. So let's see how this ages. That's my prediction, guys. With fluctuations, up and down, inevitable target, $75, $80. That's all I have for you, wonderful folks. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So if you don't mind supporting the channel before you go by leaving an appropriate thumb, I would truly appreciate it. Below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video on the channel. Thank you for your support. If you guys are new, we also explored the alternative markets. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, you can kindly subscribe with us, hit the bell, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.